Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I remain Rosea. In this video, I'm going to share a few tips with you that will help you actually be financially free. Disclaimer, this is not a financial advice, but whenever I share things on this channel, I share things that I know can help you make money. But it is your decision to make. You have the final decision to make with the information that I provide here. So my channel is strictly for educational purposes, not for financial advice. But one of the things that I've discovered with a lot of people following me in my community, I discovered that so many people want to make money, but they're really not intentional about making money. If you want to make money, you definitely have to be intentional about making money. You have to decide how you want to make this money. It doesn't have to be a gamble. It doesn't have to be a try and error. It has to be something you are sure about, something you have decided that you want to do. And if you don't have any idea at all about how you can get started and what you need to do, you have tons of YouTube videos to watch. So many YouTube videos to watch. And if you think that is going to be a Herculean task for you, you won't be able to go through all that. And that is why I'm here for you to say that I have a free webinar coming up on the 15th of July, 2023, 15th of July. So 15th, you join me on the webinar, and then you can learn a few tips on how you can start and scale a digital business. Okay, because a lot of people are ready to invest in a Ponzi scheme than to learn a new skill and to become financially free. My recommendation would be that if you want to invest in any company at all, you should be sure it's a legitimate company. You should be sure it is not a Ponzi scheme. And because you may not necessarily want to just throw your money out there, you don't know about that, you just have to avoid it as much as possible. Learn a skill. With your skill, no one can take it away from you. You have control over how you make your money. You have to learn how to make sales. These things are not rocket science, all right? So I'm going to be putting you through a whole lot of all this that will help you become better, that will help you have control over how you earn and what you earn. You want to earn 6 figures, you have to decide that. You want to earn 7 figures, you have to decide that, okay? So there's a done for you step-by-step template that will help you be able to make money in various smart digital gigs. And if you say that I'm not cut out for learning any new skill, I just want to invest and make my money, yeah, there will be recommendations for you as well for the kind of things that you can do, digital businesses that you can do that will actually fetch you good money, something you can have control over to a large extent, because actually we do not have 100% control over anything, even the life that we live. So I'm not saying you're just going to have 100% control and then you just press the button and money start gushing out. No, you have to put in the work, the best way that you can, that will bring out the kind of results that you want. So what I'm simply saying is that you're going to get recommendation as to the kind of things that you can do that you can make money. Like I said, there are tons of videos on YouTube. If you think you want to get started, from YouTube, or you've watched a lot of videos on YouTube and you have not been able to decide, or you've not been able to come to a conclusion to pick something for yourself, then this webinar is for you. Don't miss it. All right. So because the truth of the matter is you have to be intentional about making money. It is not enough to watch all the make money online videos on YouTube and you don't decide. There are a whole lot of tutorial videos on YouTube that can help you become, a digital marketer or to become a digital entrepreneur like myself. You make money online, you look at viable businesses, you'll be able to decide. Yeah, but if you have all that time to begin to watch videos, tons of videos and decide which one, that's cool. If you truly want to be guided to make this money that we're talking about and have control, large control over how you make your money, the figures that you want to make 6 figures, you want to make 7 figures, it all depends on you, all right? But you have to be intentional. So the message here in this video is to say that you can be financially free, you can be financially independent, but you have to be intentional about it. You have to decide the particular thing that you want to do to fetch your money. You don't have to go all out gambling. They tell you today there's a new Ponzi scheme and you jump at it, or there's a new investment platform and you jump at it and you keep losing money. Now you have to stop jumping from one investment company or one ROI company to the other. I'm not saying that all of them are bad, but I'm saying that the reason why you keep losing money and you don't multiply your money, or you don't have a steady income for yourself, is because you have not decided about what exactly you want to do to make money. You can start a digital business. You can start an online business and scale it. When people hear online business, or when they hear digital business, what comes to mind is Ponzi scheme. I bet you guys Ponzi scheme is not what online business or digital business is. A digital business is simply utilizing digital technologies for innovative business models. So there are various business models that you can create using the digital platform, using the online platform, using digital technologies. All right. So what you need to do is learn how these things work. Learn which one can help you monetize your skill, which one can help you monetize your talent, which one you can actually put in your money that can keep bringing money for you. Yeah, there are very fantastic and wonderful ROI platforms, but you have to be patient with them. The true ROI platforms do not pay you 2% per day, 3% per day like people want, and then you get 100 or 200% monthly. That is not a legitimate ROI platform. Now, when you get ROI platforms, you may be getting even 10% per annum. Those are more legitimate. I'm not even saying that anyone is even worth trusting, but I'm just saying that if you must do such a business, do a business that you can largely have control over. So I want to see you in class on the 15th of July. This month, 15th of July 2023, is going to be a free webinar where I would just let you understand some of these businesses, some of these gigs that could help you make legitimate money, and then you can build a structure around your business and you are sure the kind of money you want to make every single month. Some of these opportunities can even make you quit your 9-to-5 job. You're going to have flexibility of time. You're going to have work-life balance. You're going to be able to go on vacation, live your dream life. You're going to make money from any part of the world where you are. So it's not about your 9-to-5 job that you don't have time to move or to travel and all that. So I'm going to be introducing you to some of these kind of businesses that can help you make consistent money every single month. So if this resonates with you, please click in the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group so you can easily get the link to the webinar on the 15th of July. So don't forget to like this video and also hit the subscribe button and follow me for more. Thanks for watching and bye for now.